That car you're paying for every month might be the reason you're not getting ahead financially. Not because it's expensive, but because of what it's silently costing you over time. And once you see the numbers, you can't unsee it. For many people, a car payment feels normal. You pick a car, agree to monthly payments, and drive away. Simple. But what most people don't realize is this: that monthly payment isn't just a bill, it's a long-term financial drain, and it keeps millions of people stuck. Let's say your car payment is $400 per month. That doesn't sound too bad, right? But over 5 years, that's $400 times 60 months equals $24,000, and that's before insurance, fuel, and maintenance. Now, here's where it gets interesting. What if instead of spending $400 every month on a car, you invested it? With an average return, over time, that money could grow significantly. Over 10 to 20 years, you're not just spending $24,000, you're potentially giving up tens of thousands more in future wealth. This is called opportunity cost, and it's what makes car payments so dangerous. The issue isn't owning a car, it's how much of your income it consumes. Because once you lock into a monthly payment, you reduce your ability to save money, invest, and handle emergencies. And when something unexpected happens, you're still stuck with that payment. It gets worse. As people earn more, they often upgrade their cars. Bigger payment, new loan, longer commitment. So instead of building wealth, they stay in a cycle of never-ending car payments. One car leads to another, and the payments never stop. People who build wealth think differently. They don't focus on the car, they focus on financial freedom. Instead of stretching their budget for a nicer car, they choose something affordable, or they keep their car longer, because every dollar not locked into a payment can be used to build wealth. Here's the truth. A car payment might look small each month, but over time, it can cost you far more than you realize, not just in money spent, but in wealth never built. The goal isn't to avoid cars, it's to avoid being trapped by them. Because when you free up that monthly payment, you give yourself something far more valuable: options. And that's what truly builds financial freedom. If you want to learn more simple strategies to grow your money, subscribe for more videos, because the small financial decisions you make today can shape your entire future.